Jumble Lane Model Railway, and from the home of Jumble Lane Printing, where I shall be showing you all the things that I've been doing and what they all do. In this video I shall be going through some of the things I've wanted to do in the past, which I haven't got around to yet, and some of the things that I've done since the last time I've showed anything before. So there'll be those to come, and also some of the things that I've been doing on the 3D printing side, which is what I've been selling, and I shall be going through in the future videos of the items, and I shall be going through how they can be applied to the layout that you have. Some of the parts are kit form and some are just straightforward, just put them on your layout or paint them before you put them on your layout. Coming up in future videos I shall be going through all the parts that I do, which is these gravestone kits, the memorials, which include the wreaths in the pack. You can get the wreaths as an extra if you want lots of wreaths. There are 4 different monuments at the moment. I do actually do them in O gauge and N gauge, so yeah, there's quite a few to choose from really, and as you can see they're quite spectacular. This is another one, and another accessory pack is the chain link fence that goes around it, shown here with a bit of ballast. Got the pub tables, there's a paddling pool there, and there's tables and chairs. All these kits will be featured in future videos showing you how they're applied to the layout, and in some cases how they're all assembled. Right, as you can see, the the pull-up has changed, or the pull-out section has changed somewhat. It has been ballasted and grassed and painted, and on this end the bridge opening, or the tunnel mouth, has been done. A little bit of scenic photograph behind it. I might extend that and make it a bigger photograph. The actual section now lifts up. It is hinged and just sits there, and it's got an interlock switch on it, so as soon as that lifts up, breaks contact, so the DCC controller cuts the power to the track, so any locos just stop and they will not go any further and fall down the hole. The hinges themselves are 3D printed. I designed these with this in mind, specifically for a reason of lifting the layout as it tilts up, basically so that the track joint parts company the moment it starts to lift, as you can see. And that click is the interlock that you can hear. On the other end, some slide bolts on both sides, just so that when it's in position, the track is in line and it gets smooth running across. The tunnel mouth was made from a single track tunnel mouth cut in half and a section added in the middle. It's all been painted and weathered to match. This is cut card bridge section that I've been making on my cricket cutter machine, and it's got some static grass and some bits of bushes just to finish it all off. On the top, some seafoam trees and some bushes and a bit more, and then you've got the photograph behind, like a short piece of back ceiling. One of the additions I did make to the layout was a project that I did using 3D printing and electronics to make up a controller to control the level crossing. When it's in use, I think the layout is a bit too short to keep on opening and shutting the gates, because no sooner they're open, the trains come all the way around the track and it's back going through the gate, so it is difficult, especially one-handed. I will, however, use them in film sequences where you can edit the movement of the trains and the gates, and I will be going through the building of that and what it does.
I've been and done my shopping. It's chucking it down with rain. Siren sounds, gates come down, not another chuffing train. Everybody knows them, everybody hates them Jumble Lane railway crossing barrier gates. There used to be a footbridge we could cross or into town. They close them jumping barrier gates when train leaves Chapel down. So everybody knows them, everybody hates them Jumble Lane railway crossing barrier gates. Me Uncle Fred, not right in his head, State Street, Sheffield lingo. Da-da-dee-and-dee-da-da, I'm up, Bingo. He coming on the Donny Mex and landed in the town. He couldn't cross the railway, cause the barriers were stuck down. Old Uncle Fred, his brain is dead, his nose as big as Ringo's. Get them bloody barriers up, ask Mr. Jackpot Bingo. Shots and balls at signal box, effed and blind and damned. Why did somebody go and tell him the bloody thing's unmanned? Everybody knows them, everybody hates them Jumble Lane Railway crossing barrier gates. There used to be another line, it went rain or chan. It never bothered nobody, so they closed it, took him down. Everybody knows them, everybody hates them Jumble Lane Railway crossing barrier gates. Big brother Josh, his wife don't boss, she likes to put it on. She's joined the town in slimming world, but still weighs 40 stone. They got on train from Meadowhall, 1334. The train pulled out to crossing, but the pub still stuck in door. He pulled the communication cord, won't set her free. Help her, Mr. Railway Guard, he's a lad, it'll get one of me. They had to fetch an engine to help them shut the train. The spindle need in sidings down past Barnsley Main. So everybody knows them, everybody hates them Jumble Lane Railway crossing barrier gates. Who's that local tannoy? It's a darling from afar. Huddersfield, Wakefield, well, Chelsea Court. Everybody knows them, everybody hates them Jumble Lane Railway crossing barrier gates. Beautiful Bill, he can't stop still, he lives up Summer Lane. Sunday comes, he does his racing sums, then sets off down to game. He has 4 pints in corner pin and 3 more in the town.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that little update from Jumble Lane. There'll be some more coming soon, and the next video I think will be about the turntable surround, which is another kit that I make here at Jumble Lane Printing. So that's goodbye from me, Jeff, at Jumble Lane. Bye.